And welcome to our channel. Today we'll enlighten you about 7 wonders of the world. It's a 5-minute journey that explores the most magnificent architectural masterpiece of ancient times. Let's start with the Great Pyramid of Giza. It is located in Egypt. It was built around 2560 BC and is the only wonder still standing today. It was originally 146.7 meters tall and was used as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu. Then we have in the list is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. They were built by King Nebuchadnezzar I for his queen, Amytis. It is said to have been an oasis of green in the otherwise arid landscape of Babylon. However, the exact location of the gardens is still unknown. The statue of Zeus is at number 3. Located at Olympia, it was built in Greece to honor the king of the gods. It stood 40 feet tall and was made of ivory and gold. Sadly, the statue no longer exists, but we have descriptions of it from ancient writers. Next, we have the Temple of Artemis at Ephesus. It was built in honor of the goddess Artemis. It was one of the largest temples in the ancient world and was destroyed and rebuilt several times. Please subscribe to our channel if you are enjoying the video. The 5th wonder is the Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. It was a tomb built for Mausolus, a ruler of Caria, and his wife Artemisia. It was one of the largest and most impressive tombs of the ancient world. The 6th wonder, the Colossus of Rhodes, was a statue of the Greek god Helios and stood over 100 feet tall. It was destroyed by an earthquake in 226 BC, but the remains were left in place for over 800 years as a popular tourist attraction. And finally, we have the Lighthouse of Alexandria, located on the island of Pharos in Egypt. It was one of the tallest structures of its time and served as a beacon for ships entering the harbor. These 7 amazing wonders truly demonstrate the architectural brilliance of ancient civilizations and continue to inspire awe and wonder in people around the world. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the world. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.